Morning. Good morning, Spiky. Good morning, everybody. Acre of Love Homestead here. My name is Kimberly, and welcome back to the channel. I just want to give an update on a couple of things. Zeke boy over here, he's doing good, even though Wendy tries to kill him every day, unfortunately. Yep, he's doing pretty good. She still thinks she's the boss. Wait till he gets bigger. That I can't wait for. And then pigs are doing good. Let's go over here. I'm gonna walk you to the pigs. Chickens are doing good. I'm pretty sure they're all hens. There's a few roosters in there, but hey, guess what? It's okay. Pigs are doing good. Like I say, I always have my pigs lined up in a row. You just sitting down over there? Yeah, you ready for your breakfast? I got some good stuff for you this morning. Yeah. Oh, I know. So talkative. And Juniper, he's getting super big now. He's eating more now, so I'm pretty sure here pretty soon he'll be weaning himself off from Mama, or she'll be weaning him off. He eats more grass, he eats pellets, he drinks water on his own. He's doing whatever. He does whatever he wants. Over here, I did a little bit of stuff for the garden. This area I've been tilling it up, kind of raking it out, getting all the grass and stuff out of here. I am going to, hopefully today, we're having a yard sale this weekend, trying to get rid of some stuff, but hopefully today I can get in here and till it again, and then maybe plant my seeds in different areas. I like to put some turnip seeds and some lettuce and stuff out here, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. I don't know yet, but I still haven't put like a fence thing. I need to put like some kind of a fence. That way Juniper can't come over here and eat my stuff as it grows. And the rabbits, because there are quite a bit of rabbits. And I don't understand why there's so many rabbits out this year. But we've had quite a bit. I know our neighbor was kind of, not very nice to the rabbits. But this year, the sun is like blinding me. This year we have quite a bit of rabbits running around. And speaking of rabbits, I had a tragedy on the homestead. One of my red Tamuk females, she passed away. We're gonna go through this gate. No, Spike, she can't be in the yard sale. So one of my Tamuk, she passed away, unfortunately. Not sure if she had like a heat stroke or something, because everything's fine. They always have food, they always have water. We always make sure they have all their accommodations. And so the one that was up here in this area, she passed. I know she stopped eating for a couple of days, and I thought, well, let me check the water. So I checked the water. The water was fine. I checked the nozzles every single day. So I don't know really what happened. She just came out here and she was just kind of a goner. But her mother's still over there. Her mother is bred. I have it wrote down. We should have babies. I've bred her twice. I bred her once on September the 1st, and then September the... was it yesterday? Yesterday I actually put her in again just to make sure, and she did take both times. So we'll have babies sometime in October. I have one of my New Zealand females. That's actually a male. I double checked everybody yesterday, so those are all males. So I have one New Zealand female. She sold. They're coming to get her today, and I guess the rest of these guys will just, whatever I had left over, they'll go to freezer camp. But it's okay. And then, so I put a female here. I don't know if you can see, I put a female. I did put another female there. Hopefully y'all can see that. I'm kind of holding this weird. So I replaced the Tamuk with a California female. I will be holding back one of these males because in case if one of these guys happen to, disperse, at least I have another male. This one, she will be going because she has that little weird ear, so she'll be freezer bound. I thought about keeping this little black male, that way he could breed maybe her, because they're kind of the same size, so I might keep him for a little while and breed her and her daughter, and just kind of see what kind of fur, we get from that. And they're big enough to go into, freezer camp too, so I'm not worried about it. I put her in to breed on the 1st of the month. She took once, but whenever I put her in again, she won't take again. So I don't know what her deal is. I'm waiting for her to come back into heat and do it again. This ladybug here, she never took whenever I put in, but she did have ear mites going on, and ear mites are gone now. So we'll try again whenever she comes back into heat. I don't really want to take babies into winter, but I mean, I've got to keep my meat source flowing. This girl right here, She actually took 2 or 3 times yesterday with the California mail. So maybe we can get some pretty babies out of that. But they're all ready for breakfast this morning. And then the little tinies, I had one. One had a heat stroke. Don't know why. That's why they have 2 water bottles in there, because they had one of them had a heat stroke. Our weather's been kind of weird, so I live in Texas. Okay, let me turn you around. So I live in Texas. Everybody knows that Texas's weather is weird and crazy, and it's kind of like a moody woman and does whatever it wants to do. But yeah, so it's been hot, and then it'll be cool in the morning, it'll be cool in the afternoon, but in the midday it is like up to 90 still. And we're on what, September, what's today? September 12, 13? I could be very off, guys. I've been off since Thursday, so whenever I'm off, I don't count my days. But yeah, I may go and, I've been saying I'm going to go and sit with them, and I am going to go and sit with them. Maybe I can do it this afternoon at Brookshire's and see if I can get rid of any of them. Quail are doing pretty good. I got 1 or 2 eggs every now and then. So quail are doing pretty good. I wish they would start laying some more eggs. I want to put them in the incubator. Oh, why are you licking your cage, you weirdo? So that's kind of the update for the rabbits at the moment. Nothing really changes, on a daily basis with the rabbits. I will be doing a video. I still need to make my jalapeno cheddar video. My son ate all my cheddar cheese, so I had to go get another one. But I am going to be doing another video, and it's about how to sex geese. So if anybody will be interested in that, I will be having a video of that here pretty soon too, because I've got 4 geese, and I think I have 3 males and 1 female, and if that's the case, then 2 of them males at least gotta go, or probably all 3 of them. So watch out for that video also. I want to show you all the garden. So I did go down to my local garden center and I purchased some plants, and this is what we got. So I got broccoli, and I don't know where my tag went for those 2, but I think that's some kind of squash. That's probably a squash. I think that's my butternut squash, I think. And then I got cabbage. Those are doing better than my other ones, sadly. I'll show you here in a minute. And then all of these, I think these are all Brussels sprouts. Is this a Brussels sprout? No, it's a broccoli. Okay, so all of these are broccoli. I don't think I got Brussels sprouts. And then I did get some tomato plants. They're doing pretty well. My spinach is kind of because it's hot. And then I got some more jalapenos. And my cilantro down here is doing great. I got 3 cilantros, and I water my garden every single day right now because it is so hot, guys. I need to pick that jalapeno, as a matter of fact. It's got a pretty big one on there. That one's got a tiny one, but they came like that. See, okay, so this is my cabbage. So the heat, they were beautiful when I got them. Planted them, water them. I water every day. It looks dry, but underneath it's really not. And now I've never grown this kind of cabbage, so I'm not really sure. But they are not doing well. Worst case scenario, they die off. It's okay. She's chasing that was weird. She's chasing my shadow. And then these are some kind of squash too. I don't know what, there's something taken off of my tags. Usually I keep my tags on there. I ain't got a clue, maybe. And then over here we have, apparently this is squash. Wow, did I get that much squash? Apparently we eat a lot of squash in the winter. That's okay. But these are doing really well. I'm really surprised. This thing right here, I'm about ready to chop it out because it never did anything. It was supposed to have some kind of flowers and a bean and all that stuff, but it didn't do anything. I wonder if the heat stopped it. And over here's where I planted my beans, my green beans. Got a fairly big one. This one's pretty big. Nothing's happening yet. They got a couple of insect bites, and this is probably from watering in the daytime. Got a little, something's eating this one. It's all right. Because I got some more somewhere else. A couple of more tomato plants. And then I kept this. I did keep this plant. But I keep forgetting to come out here and pick out these jalapenos that it's growing. It may do and it may not do. If it doesn't do, that's fine. It's not a big deal. And this one too. This is the one where that sunflower is covering the both of them. So maybe they'll do something. Who knows? Guess we'll find out. Watch out, tiny dog. She's so funny. Over here we have more plants. We got some bean plants. Whatever that is. I'm hoping it's not more of this. Because I'm about ready, like I said, I'm about ready to chop it all out. The only reason why I'm kind of leaving it is because it shades. It does a little bit of shading. It's supposed to let off like a really purple, pretty purple flower so the bees and the hummingbirds will come. But it never did anything. It just vined out and went crazy. What you eating, Broggy? Eating some grass? And then apparently we have more squash. I know some of these are butternut squash, which I really like the butternut squash. So, I don't know. I guess we'll find out. One of my beans is coming back. I did have beans on this side and they're coming back. Kind of like these three. And this one's an eggplant. I'm trying eggplant. That one's doing pretty good. My other one is kind of doesn't really know what it wants to do. And then over here are my cucumbers. I had planted seeds in here. Well, the seeds didn't come up, but apparently they're trying to now because here's two of them. I don't know if that's one or if that's a flower. But they're doing really well. See, there's another one. I don't know if you can see that way down in there. There's another one. But yeah, hopefully I can get them to kind of crawl up and over. It's kind of what I want with my squash too. And then here's my other eggplant. They got ants. I need to come out and put stuff on them. So I would like for my cucumbers to take up this trellis right here and go all the way over. And then if my squash will do the same thing, that'd be kind of neat. And then this one too, I would like for my beans to kind of grow. But I'm not sure I planted climbing beans. I think I was just testing it out. So I'm not sure if they're climbing beans. But the cool part about that is that these squash right here should vine up and hopefully it will go over. Now I tried this during the summer, didn't work out. So I need to find some vining, vining stuff. And that's kind of what we have for the garden. At least up here anyways. The dogs are running around like crazy. And I still have all these beds. I still need to buy the two that go here. Maybe if I get a Christmas bonus, I'll be able to. Oh, let me show y'all too, my carrots. I planted carrots a while back, excuse me. Apparently my coffee's giving me heartburn this morning. So look at my little carrots, y'all. I'm so proud of these little tiny carrots. I came in and I weeded out, like, some, because you don't want them to like overpower, I guess, one another. So I came through and I weeded some of them out. Still need to do this one a little more. A little bit more on this one. See, we'll pull these out where there's an abundance of them. Oh, there's an ant. Get out of here, ant. And then if the dogs will stop trying to help me dig, we'll be in better shape. What are you after today, lady? And then I planted two arugulas, but like I say, with the heat, they don't really like it that much. I don't know. Hopefully it'll cool down pretty soon. Now, I did spread some carrot seeds in here. I don't see them coming up just yet. They might and they might not. And then one lone bean, I don't know what he's doing. But my gourds, oh, there's so many ants. Look at all those ants. These ants are on my nerves. Look at all them ants. Them are fire ants. Them things will bite you. And they hurt. I don't like fire ants. There's one little gourd right here. Can you see it? One little gourd. Now, I don't know how to grow gourd, so this is a learning experience with this. Now, I got a bigger, this one's big too now. Heck yeah. They say that you're supposed, I watched a video. I don't remember what lady it was, but I watched the video. I think they're going after these flowers. Why is there an abundance? Maybe they're eating this little bug that's on the other side. Oh yeah, I think that's aphid or something. I'm not sure. Whatever it is, I think they're eating it. I might just leave them alone. Look at that little baby one. Oh my God, that is too stinking cute. Look at it. And then we have this one. So I was watching a lady. Oh, anyways, let me finish my conversation here. So I was watching a lady. When you're supposed to harvest these? She says that whenever the vine dies, that you're supposed to harvest it then when it's brown like this right here, like this leaf, you're supposed to harvest it. So that's the time we'll harvest it, or hopefully all of them. I don't know, we'll see. I've never grown gourds, so look at those ants. They're just trucking along, man. And then they come way over here. I know, who wants to watch a video of ants, but that's kind of neat. See, he's eating that bug. There's a bug. Let me see if I can zoom y'all in. So there's a bug, and he's eating it. At least he was eating it. I don't know, maybe he already killed it. Who knows? Anyways. Take a picture of this. There we go. Yep. So that's kind of what we have going on with the farm stand. With the farm stand. Well, the farm stand's open today too, and we got our yard sale going. Trying to get rid of stuff. That's kind of what we have, guys. So, like and subscribe. Hit the notification button. Share the video. We're up to 351 subscribers, and that's amazing for my little channel because I'm not always posting stuff. Hopefully we can get up to about 500 and get lots more views. Y'all have a good one, guys. See you later.